Welcome. I'd like to tell you a little bit about the honors program. I'm Jody Bulma, the coordinator of the program. I'm also a professor of political science. And really, the honors program is here for high achieving students who want to transfer. We have smaller classes for our students. We have committed faculty. We've got a community of scholars. The students that you're in classes with are ambitious and looking to transfer. There are research opportunities, lots of opportunities for you to pursue your educational goals. We have a conference that our students attend each year and share their research interests. You can join one of the honor societies on campus, Alpha Gamma Sigma or Phi Theta Kappa. Really, whatever it is that you find on campus, I really encourage you to get involved. I hope you'll consider the honors program, but there are lots of programs on campus that might be right for you. So really embed yourself in the community and get involved. One program that I highly recommend for our honors students is Study Abroad, where you can travel the world with Fullerton College and really enhance your educational experiences. Our honor students transfer to all different schools, whether it's, Cal State Fullerton right down the street or one of the other incredible schools that this country has to offer. We have high admission rates to the UCs and CSUs. Just for one example, UCLA has incredibly low admission rate for high school seniors. It's slightly better if you transfer from a community college, but your best bet is to enroll and finish the honors program, be honors certified, and that really helps your numbers. These numbers are statewide. Fullerton College's numbers were actually really high last year. So among certified students that applied to UCLA, we had an 84% acceptance rate, and Berkeley was 85. What does it mean to be honors certified? That means you complete the program. For general students, that means 15 units of honors coursework out of the 60 that we traditionally see students take in 2 years, with a 3.4 GPA in all coursework. If you're a STEM major, it's a slightly different path, because there are so many labs and prescribed work. We look for 9 units of honors with 6 units of approved STEM coursework, a physics class or chemistry, and to make those 6 units count, there are some extra honors STEM activities that we ask you to do that are in your field of interest. And then again, have a minimum cumulative GPA of 3.4 or higher. No matter what, whether you're in honors or not, when you transfer to the CSU or to the UC, to a private institution or out of state, you're going to have the same diploma. There's no asterisk that says that it's a transfer degree from the community college. So apply to the honors program. We have a special orientation in August. Our office is right upstairs in room 225, and we encourage you to visit our website at honors.fulkhall.edu and apply for the program. We'd love to see you.